We're at the Cars and Coffee at M-1 Concourse, Pontiac, Michigan. We're just loading them in right now. Is this your car, is it? My mom had a 76. This looks like an original car with original tires even. Shows 63,000 miles. Shows 58,000 miles. Oh, here's something you don't see. Take that over this. Maybe this looks familiar to some of my viewers. Maybe this is a different one. I don't know. I think this guy stopped by our house. I think the guy that stopped by our house is in like brand new, yeah. It's supposed to be all classic cars in there, but this is the 4th of July weekend. So I suspect that a lot of people have gone up north. It was kind of quiet around my house this year. Not a lot of parties, not a lot of fireworks, and not a lot of people around. The roads have been quiet. It's been a nice weekend. And happy 4th to everyone here in the U.S. It's obviously a U.S. holiday, so yeah. Everyone in the U.S., happy 4th of July. Yeah, that's definitely unrestored. We followed this car all the way here from coming up Woodward, doing 50-55 miles an hour. It's only got 3 wheels.
This is a Reliant Robin. You didn't really watch a lot of the old school top gear. did a hilarious episode where he kept.
Yeah, moved along pretty good. He stayed ahead of me the whole time, and I was, like I say, doing 50, 55 miles an hour.
And he would get just tipped back over to the home lighting.
So I was talking to the guy that did these back in the day. He made all the plastic emblems here locally for the emblems and the speedometer and fuel gauge, and his car's here, and I'm going to go show you his car. It's an unrestored his car, so let's go take a look at it. And this is his car right here. And like I say, this is an unrestored car. $36,222 miles. '71. It's a '71 if I said '72, sorry. Yeah, super neat car. Oh, and check this out. I'm waiting to see somebody blow an engine. I asked him what was the lowest horsepower car he had on it, and he said a Model T, and it was, I think he said 27 horsepower, and he said it took quite a while to get it up to RPM. And I asked him how many engines have blown on there. He says usually about 1 in 500,000. He says it's rare you see engines blow on the dyno, but you know, they do happen. That was a little cruise to the M-1 Concourse in Pontiac, Michigan. It was a nice outing. Saw some friends there. Mark was there with his '58 Pontiac, the yellow and green one, which I did video. But yeah, it was a extremely enjoyable morning. It was cars and coffee. So yeah, it was from 8 to 11 a.m. at the Saturdays at the M-1 Concourse. And they have a different theme every Saturday, and this theme was the 50s era cars, but you know, there's a lot more newer model stuff. In fact, they wanted me to park next to this brand new Escalade, and I said, no, I don't want to park there next to a brand new car. So they let me park next to someone else that, you know, so I wasn't next to a brand spanking new vehicle. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up icon. It for sure helps me out. If you like my channel, that 348 engine icon will help you get subscribed to my channel. And thank you for watching my video.